How do I activate 9 Now on my device?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the process of activating 9 Now on your device. This will allow you to access a wide range of on-demand entertainment content from the Australian network, 9 Network. Let's get started.
What do I need beforehand?
Before we begin, ensure that you have the following: a device that supports the 9 Now app. This can be a smart TV, Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, or any Android or iOS device. Internet connection to download the 9 Now app and to stream content. A 9 Now account. If you don't have one, you can sign up on the 9 Now website.
How do I install the 9 Now app?
Once you have everything ready, the next step is to install the 9 Now app on your device. Here's how you can do that. 1. Go to the App Store on your device. This will be the Play Store for Android devices, the App Store for iOS devices, or the respective app market for your smart TV or streaming device. 2. Search for 9 Now in the App Store. 3. Download and install the 9 Now app.
How do I activate 9 Now on my device?
Now, let's move on to the activation process. 1. Open the 9 Now app on your device. 2. Select Sign In or Activate your device. An activation code will be displayed on your screen. 3. Go to a web browser on a separate device and visit the 9 Now website. 4. Log in to your 9 Now account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. 5. Enter the activation code displayed on your device into the corresponding field on the website. 6. Click on Activate. Your device should now be activated. And there you have it. You've successfully activated 9 Now on your device. Now, you can enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies from the 9 Network anytime, anywhere. We hope this guide was helpful. Happy streaming!